so fast. Ay, ang OA naman ito. Ano ba? Siyempre.
Now that you mention it, paano nga kaya nabuo ang universe? Boss.
Baka parang cake yan. Mini-mix tapos boom! May universe na tayo.
Boring naman. Baka siguro, I think someone sneezed. At chow! Then boom! Universe. O, diba? Grabe naman yun. Hindi ba pwedeng isa siyang malaking bubblegum that popped?
Wrong! All of you are wrong.
Whoa! Ikaw si Science Genius!
That's me. A little birdie told me you were all talking about how the universe was made.
Yeah!
Alrighty then, follow me to the Wonderland 3000.
Look, 3,000 daw. Tara!
Alright, wait lang guys ha. Buksan pa lang yung Wonderland 3000.
Okay. Halika. Alam nyo, feeling ko talaga may something yung Science Genie. Pero may tinatago siya din sa science. Diba?
Pre, baka may UFO.
Or kaya kung spaceship?
Parang hindi siya tao.
Tao? Feeling ko, alien siya.
Yeah.
Oh, pwede. Diba? Kasi, wala. Bigla naman
Hey, I
siya.
heard that. Okay na yung Wonderlab. Watch na. Let's go.
Wonderland 3,000? Parang love 3 naman to eh.
Come on guys, it's your imagination. Wonderland 3000. You want to know how the universe started? Well then, let's get on with it. Let's also remember that there are 3 theories on how the universe was made.
Wait, what is theory?
Well, theory is like a big idea that helps us understand how something works or why it happened.
Oh!
So, a long time ago, people looked at the stars and wondered, how did the universe begin? So scientists studied space, made guesses, and used science to explain.
Wow! Para lang pala siyang puzzle. Scientists look for clues and the theory is the picture that comes together.
You got it. As I was saying, alright, there are 3 theories on how the universe was created. There was the Big Bang theory, the oscillating theory, and the steady state theory.
Wait, sabi mo Big Bang. Did something explode?
Baka fireworks.
Not exactly fireworks, but globes. A long time ago, the whole universe was a super duper tiny. Like smaller than a dot you guys make with a pencil. Super in it and full of energy, just like you guys. Then something extraordinary happened.
What is it?
It's something expanded very, very fast.
Wait lang.
That moment is called the Big Bang.
Action?
Whoa! So, ganun na buo ang stars?
Yup! At first, there was this tiny bits of stuff floating around. After a very, very long time, those bits turned into stars, planets, galaxies, and eventually, us, Earth.
Whoa! Ang cool naman nun! Para lang pala siyang utot.
So, sadly, the Big Bang wasn't exactly like fireworks. But it was the start of something. But it was the start of everything, getting bigger and bigger. And guess what? The universe is still growing even today.
Para lang pala tayo. Tumatanda rin ang universe.
Wait. So, if Big Bang is boom, edi ano yung ano daw?
Ay nako, oscillating.
I guess. Oscillating theory pala.
Oo nga! What's that?
Great question. Let's imagine something a little different here.
What do you mean?
Well, you know how the Big Bang made the universe grow? Well, the oscillating theory has a little twist to that.
Whoa! Twist? Ano yun? Plot twist?
Ayun ako mga kasaway. Well, the oscillating theory says the universe might not grow forever.
Ha? Bakit naman?
Well, imagine blowing up a balloon. It starts to get bigger and bigger, diba? But then, it starts to shrink again.
So, lumiit pala tayo.
Hindi, no? Everything just squeezes back together again until it's tiny. Super tiny again. Like before. Oh. Then, boom! Another big bang. So it goes like this. Grow, shrink, boom. Grow, shrink, boom.
Action. Wow! Para lang siyang yoyo. Or hininga. Inhale, exhale, universe style.
That's right. It's like the universe is taking deep cosmic breath.
Oh, last one.
O sige na, kung natatandaan nyo, ano yung last year?
Steady state theory.
Tama.
Ano this time?
Well, think of it like this. Instead of state theory is chill lang. Relax. Steady nga, di ba?
So, di siya gumagalaw? Like, ganito?
Well, pwede. But parang sinasabi nito is that the universe always looks the same.
Teka, ba't naging pigit-pituloy tayo?
Ano to, magic?
Bakit mo magic niya? Ayos ah.
Continue na natin.
Yes.
So, imagine a playground that never changes size. Even when it stretches out, new stars and galaxies just appear to fill the space. It's like blowing up a balloon. It gets bigger and bigger.
Pop! Like popcorn that never stops. New stars appear so it never looks empty.
Whoa!
Magic.
Ang astig, never magiging lonely ang universe.
Parang tayo, palagi magkakasama.
Yes!
Yup. No beginning, no end. Just a forever universe that's always full. Pretty cool, right?
Yup.
Yeah.
But today, most scientists think that the Big Bang gives us the best clues about how everything began. Still, every theory helped us learn something new.
Ay, nalilito na ako. Hi, I'm Nova!
And I'm Clark!
Whoa!
Saan kayo
galing? Enough with that. We're here to help you, right?
Cause remembering is easier when it's fun and clear. Let's do a recap.
Let's go.
3.
Hi, I'm Nova.
And hi, I'm Clark. And now we are going to recap again the 3 theories starting with the Big Bang. Stated here, the universe started as tiny hot dot. And then it went boom and kept growing. And did you know that scientists believe in this one the most? Bakit?
Because we found galaxies moving away and a special leftover called cosmic background radiation.
Wow, that sounds cool. Ano yun?
Think of it like this. Have you ever turned off the TV and seen a fuzzy screen with a little tiny dots? And noise that's kind of fuzzy? That's kind of what it's like. Space still has the tiny pulse from the Big Bang. And that is what we call the cosmic background radiation, which are the leftovers from the Big Bang. Scientists use special space cameras called telescopes to detect the invisible globe, and it helped them know the Big Bang really happened. Action!
Ang cool talaga ng mga scientists.
Super! They can find answers to questions. Di ba? Ang galing nila! At ngayon, ating pag-aaral naman ang oscillating theory. Ngayon, kung naalala ninyo, hindi ba ang Big Bang ay nagsimula sa tiny hot dot? At ito. Pero dito, pag nag-expand na ng pinakamalaki ang Big Bang, o sa maximum capacity nito, liliit ulit ito. Diba sabi ni Science Genius? Pag naglobo tayo ng isang globo, lalabas ng hangin, liliit ulit ito at magiging tiny hot dot. Ngayon, pag ito ay naging tiny hot dot na ulit, ano kaya sa tingin ninyo ang mangyayari? Ito ay boom! And then,
Expands again.
yay! Ito
So,
ay like a yo-yo.
now, repeat after me. Expand, shrink, and expand. Expand, shrink, and again.
Expand, shrink, and expand. Expand, shrink, and again.
Very good! The key to oscillating theory is that it keeps going through cycles.
It just keep on.
Expanding.
Yay! Ngayon, ating aalamin naman ang huling theory.
Okay.
Ano ba yung huling theory? Alam nyo ba ito? Ito.
Steady state theory.
Tama!
Okay. This theory says the universe is always growing and the stars just keep popping up.
Ano pa? No beginning, no end.
Yeah.
Just a forever star-making machine.
Uy, may chat tayo dito, di ba?
Ay,
oo nga pala.
Basic.
Madali. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and up, up, up. Stars don't stop.
Wow! Ang galing! Ngayon, akin naman recap ulit. Diba? Ito ay may isang cycle kung saan naging hot dot papunta sa isang malaking universe. Pag ito naman ay naging ang oscillating naman, ito ay may mix ng Big Bang, ngunit iikot siya in a cycle. So, ang oscillating, magiging malaki na siya. Ito ay liliit ulit at magiging dot. Ito ay sobrang init at magkakaroon ng boom! And then it will grow again and again and again. Ngunit, sa steady state theory, sabi nga nila, steady! Steady lang, chill ka lang, at sila nagagawa para sa'yo. Okay? So here's a simple chant to remember all the three theories. Are you ready? Big Bang Boom! Oscillating Zoom! Steady state stars appear real soon!
Oh, dali. Sabay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Big Bang Boom. Oscillating zoom. Steady state stars appear real soon.
Okay. Now you're space smart and theory ready.
And remember, every theory is a way to understand the mystery of the universe.
Whoa! That quiz was out of this world. Pero, bakit nga ba kailangan pa halagang pag-aralan ng universe? Oo nga, I mean, what does space have to do with us?
Well, for me, mahalaga pag-aralan to. Kasi kung alam mo na paano nagsimula ang universe, mas ma-appreciate mo ang Earth, ang home natin.
Totoo yan. Kaya importante itong topic natin kasi it helps us understand how amazing and big the universe is.
As in, super duper big. Yung tipong hindi kayang sukatin ng metro ruler. Ever expanding ba? Tama! The universe is still expanding hanggang ngayon. Habang nanonood ka, nag-expand pa rin ang universe. Parang, wow, walang katapusan. Fun fact, alam mo ba na we're made out of stardust?
Wow, pakastig nun.
Diba? Remember this, guys. Learning about the universe makes us smarter, more curious, and more amazed at how amazing life is. So, kaya mahalaga na tandaan natin to. At kung akala nyo tapos na ang fun, hindi pa! It's time for a super cosmic recap. Kasama kaming lahat.
Let's go! Come on, friends!
Hush! Grabe! Ang saya na naging journey natin sa universe. Oo nga, ang dami natin natutunan. Pero bago tayo magpaalam,
tayo. Tara, sabay-sabay natin sabihin.
O ito. Big Bang Boom! Oscillating Zoom! Steady state stars appear real soon!
Ang catchy nun ha, mas naalala ko na yung mga theory.
Siyempre, pag-enjoy ka sa science, mas madali mo silang maintindihan. At kung gusto niyo pang matuto, itama lang ang fun ideas para mas ma-explore yung back space. Una, try niyo mag-drawing ng sarili niyong galaxy. Kahit anong shape, kahit anong kulay.
Pangalawa, visit the planetarium. Promise, masaya dito para ka lumilipad sa outer space.
Pangatlo, magtanong na magtanong. Kahit simpleng what if, pwedeng simula ng discovery.
Wait, like what if may ibang Earth pa pala somewhere out there?
Or, what if tayo rin maging scientist someday?
Basta, tandaan niyo, bawat tanong ay may sagot. At bawat sagot ay habang papunta sa bagong kaalaman.
Kaya keep learning, keep exploring, and never stop being curious. We are all...
And remember,
We are all part of something bigger, the universe!
Kaya laging tandaan, be the best every day.
Go Team Yay!
Kasama kaming lahat.
Let's go! Come on, friends!
Point 5 ba? Oh my. 1, 2, 3. Camera tingin, camera lang. Uy, ano ba?